Okay, we have the funniest voice ever from a hit. Watch this guy.
This is instant replay.
Instant replay. Woo! Look at him go. Let's watch him. He thinks he's going for a touchdown. Woo! And he just, look at, watch, zoom out all the way up. Zoom all the way up. Watch, okay. Okay, now go. It looks like there's flipping, front flipping. Now go. Go back and forth. Zoom in all the way. Not all the way, but go zoom in. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. Okay, now go. Go back and forth when they hit. It looks like they go back and forth really fast. It looks like they're doing like flips. Oh, this is what happened. Look at, watch him. Wait. Okay, I'm not, you know, don't go so fast. What happened? Hit shoulders, broke ribs.
I bet you, I haven't even seen the injury report yet. Okay, we got it?
Yep.
I think you can save it.